Hello everyone, welcome back to the DevOps Pro English channel and in the fourth video of the Python for Beginners series, where we are going to cover another interesting topic, literals in Python. If you are a beginner or interested in learning Python, then this video is for you. So, stay with me because today we will simplify literals with easy examples. Today we are talking about literals. Now you might be thinking, what are literals and why are they necessary? So, literals are values that we directly specify to Python, like numbers, text, and even logical values. We pass these literals as a value without any extra computation. So, think of them as direct values that give instructions to Python, like 5, true, or hello. So in today's video, we will explore literals in detail and understand their different types with examples. Python has some fundamental types of literals that are part of the foundation of programming. So let's break these down step by step. First, let's talk about number literals. These are the numbers that provide direct values to Python for mathematical and logical operations. There are also specific types of number literals that we will explore one by one. First is integer literals. These are simple whole numbers that do not have a decimal point, such as 5, 100, or -12. So when you write a complete number without any decimal, it is called an integer literal. Integers are commonly used in Python for data analysis, DevOps automation, and complex calculations. For example, if we write age equals 25, then 25 is an integer literal that is stored in the age variable. What variables are will be explained in upcoming videos where we will delve deeper into understanding them. Next is octal literals. Octal literals are a bit unique because they represent numbers in base 8, meaning their range is from 0 to 7. In Python, to specify octal literals, we use the 0 prefix. For example, if we write octal underscore number equals 0017, then 17 is in base 8 and Python interprets it as an octal literal. Its equivalent decimal number is 15. Hexadecimal literals. Now let's talk about hexadecimal literals, which represent numbers in base 16. Their range is from 0 to 9 and A to F, where A has a value of 10, B has 11, and so on. Hexadecimal values are commonly used in colors or memory addresses. For example, if we write hex underscore number equals 0x1a, here the 0x prefix indicates to Python that 1a is a hexadecimal number, which is equivalent to 26 in decimal. Next is floating point literals. Floating point literals are numbers that have decimal points, like 3.14, 0.5, or -2.0. These are real numbers and are mostly used for calculations and precise measurements. For example, pi equals 3.14159, here, 3.14159 is a floating point literal that we commonly use for the radius of a circle or complex calculations in our school life. Right? So, these were number literals like integer, octal, hexadecimal, and floating point literals. Let's now talk about string literals, which store characters or texts in Python. Strings are always written inside quotes, single quotes, double quotes, or even triple quotes for multi-line strings. For example, if we write greeting equals to hello, world, here hello, world, is a string literal that is being assigned to the greeting variable. Now, if you want to write a multi-line string, you can use triple quotes. For example, a message equals to triple quotes and whatever message you want to provide here, you can write it inside these triple quotes like this is a multi-line string that allows you to write across multiple lines without interruption. Now this message is a multi-line string that has been perfectly stored in Python. So, in this way you can use string literals. Last but definitely not least, Boolean literals. Boolean literals are those that represent true and false values. We use them in conditions and decision-making statements such as if statements. For example, if we write is_sunny equals true, then here, true is being assigned to the is_sunny variable, which signifies yes, it is sunny today. And if we write is_sunny equals false, then it means no, it is not sunny today. In Python, Boolean literals also have numerical values. The numerical value of true is 1 and that of false is 0. This is important because sometimes we can use Boolean values in mathematical calculations as well. For example, if we write result equals true plus 5, then Python will understand that the value of true is 1, and after calculation, it will return result as 6. So now Boolean literals are clear, right? Their use is in both conditions and calculations. Today we explored Python literals in detail, number literals, string literals, and Boolean literals understood with examples. These are all basics that will help you understand Python programming. And if your concepts are becoming clear, then like this video, share it, and definitely subscribe to the channel. And yes, this Python series has been structured in a systematic way, so if you haven't watched the previous videos, do watch them. So we end today's video here and we'll meet in the next video with more Python knowledge. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. See you in the next video. Thank you.